S-block elements. Group 1 elements, alkali metals. Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium are the elements of 1A group of the periodic table. These elements are called alkali metals because of their highly alkaline nature of their water-soluble hydroxides. These elements are known as S-block elements as their last electron or valence electron enters in the s orbital. These are soft metals. The electronic configuration of all the alkali metals have one valence electron Ns1 outside the noble gas core. Their general electronic configuration is Ns1. They readily lose electron to give monovalent M+ ions, hence they are never found in free state in nature. The general trends in physical properties. Alkali metals are the most electropositive elements, and on moving down the group, the electropositive character increases. Therefore, they readily lose electron to give monovalent M+ ions. The alkali metal atoms have the largest size, and on moving down the group, the size of the atom increases, which results in low density of alkali metals. Alkali metals give flame test. The color of the flame depends upon the wavelength of the radiation emitted. Cesium and potassium are used as electrodes in photoelectric cells due to their low ionization enthalpy. Alkali metals are strong reducing agents, and down the group their reducing nature increases. Alkali metal compounds are most ionic in nature, and down the group ionic character increases. Alkali metal oxides are most basic in nature, and down the group the basic character increases. The ionization enthalpies of alkali metals are considerably low and decrease down the group from lithium to cesium. The hydration enthalpy of alkali metals decreases with increase in ionic size. The mobility of cations in aqueous medium is directly proportional to the size of cation due to poor hydration enthalpy. General trends in chemical properties. The alkali metals are highly reactive due to their large size and low ionization enthalpy. The reactivity of these metals increases down the group. Reactivity towards air. The metal peroxides are diamagnetic, and sodium peroxide is widely used as an oxidizing agent in inorganic chemistry. The superoxides are paramagnetic in nature because of the presence of 3 electron bonds with 1 unpaired electron. Normal oxides of lithium and sodium are colorless and diamagnetic, but K2O is pale yellow, Pb2O is bright yellow, CS2O is orange. Na2O2 is yellow due to the presence of small amount of superoxide because O2- has 3 electron bonds with 1 unpaired electron. KO2 is used in space capsules, submarines and breathing masks as it produces O2 and removes CO2 and CO. The solutions of liquid ammonia. The alkali metals dissolve in liquid ammonia, giving deep blue solutions which are conducting in nature. The power of reducing nature of alkali metals decreases down the group. Carbonates. Alkali metals on exposure to air and mixture and moisture get converted into oxides, hydroxides and finally to carbonates. Carbonates of alkali metals are thermally stable except Li2CO3. Anomalous properties of lithium. The anomalous behavior of lithium is due to the exceptionally small size like magnesium and high polarizing power, that is charge by radius ratio like magnesium, that exhibits some properties which are different from those of other members of the first group but similar to that of magnesium present diagonally in the following group, that is second group. The property of showing similarity in properties with the element present diagonally opposite in the periodic table is called diagonal relationship. These properties are: the alkali metals do not react with nitrogen except lithium. Lithium is used as a scavenger in metallurgy to remove O2 and N2. All alkali metal carbonates, nitrates and hydroxides do not decompose on heating into their oxides except lithium. Magnesium and MgCl2 and LiCl are deliquescent and crystallize as their hydrates as LiCl.2H2O and MgCl2.8H2O. Coming to compounds of sodium. The compounds of sodium are industrially important, therefore some of them are discussed below. Sodium carbonate, washing soda, Na2CO3.10H2O. Preparation. Sodium carbonate is generally prepared by Solvay process. Sodium hydrogen carbonate crystals get separated out. These are heated and formed out as sodium carbonate. In this process, NH3 is recovered when the solution containing NH4Cl is treated with CaOH twice. Solvay process can't be extended to the manufacture of potassium carbonate because potassium hydrogen carbonate is too soluble to be precipitated to a saturated solution of potassium chloride. A few properties. Sodium carbonate is soluble in water with the evolution of considerable amount of heat. This solution is alkaline in nature due to hydrolysis. On passing CO2 through the concentrated solution of sodium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate gets precipitated. When solution of sodium carbonate and slaked lime is heated, sodium hydroxide is obtained. Sodium hydroxide, that is caustic soda, NaOH. Preparation. Sodium hydroxide is prepared commercially by the electrolysis of sodium chloride in Kastner-Kellner cell or mercury cathode cell. The following are the reactions. The amalgam is treated with water to give sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Properties. Sodium hydroxide is called caustic soda because it breaks down proteins of skin to a pasty mass. On exposure to atmosphere, it absorbs moisture and CO2. It is a strong alkali, so reacts with acids like zinc, aluminum, tin, lead and evolve H2 gas. The nonmetals like halogens, phosphorus, sulfur, silicon, boron also get attacked by NaOH. It also reacts with metallic salts to form hydroxides. It is used in soap manufacture, purification of bauxite, and manufacture of rayon, etc. Sodium hydrogen carbonate. Preparation. Sodium hydrogen carbonate is prepared by saturating a solution of Na2CO3 cold with CO2. This is a sparingly soluble salt. Properties. Its aqueous solution is alkaline in nature due to hydrolysis. If heated, it decomposes to give Na2CO3 and CO2. It is used in medicine to neutralize the acidity in stomach. It is used as a constituent of baking powder and in fire extinguishers. Biological significance of sodium and potassium. Sodium ions are found mainly in extracellular region outside the cell and play an important role in the transmission of nerve signals. They also regulate the transmission of transmission and flow of water across cell membranes, and in transport of sugars and amino acids into the cells. Prolonged sweating results in sodium loss. It is important that sodium ions are replaced through proper diet. Potassium ions are most abundant. Within cell fluids, where they activate many enzymes which participate in oxidation of glucose to produce ATP. Potassium ions along with sodium ions are responsible for transmission of nerve signals. The functional features of nerve cells depend upon the sodium-potassium ion gradient that is established in the cell. Their ion gradients are maintained by the sodium-potassium pumps that operate across the cell membranes. Group 2 elements, alkaline earth metals. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium are also belong to S block and are called alkaline earth metals. These are called alkaline earth due to the following facts. They are hydroxides form alkaline aqueous solutions. Their oxides are their oxides are earthen, that is their oxides are found in earth crust. Their general trends in physical properties are: these are less metallic as compared to alkali metals. Radium is a radioactive element of this group. The alkaline earth metals also have low ionization potential enthalpies, but these are higher than that of alkali metals. The melting and boiling points of these metals are higher than the corresponding alkali metals due to the smaller size. Except beryllium and magnesium, all other alkali metals give flame test. Calcium brick red, strontium crimson red, barium apple green. General trends in chemical properties. Alkaline earth metals give all the usual reactions of alkali metals. However, these are less reactive as compared to alkali metals. Reaction with water and acid. Except beryllium and magnesium, all other alkaline earth metals give hydroxide with cold water, while beryllium forms hydroxide with steam and magnesium with hot water. Except magnesium, other members of the group don't give H2 with HNO3. With nitric acid, beryllium becomes passive due to the formation of oxide layer. Alkaline earth metal chlorides, nitrates and hydroxides exhibit an increase in their solubilities on moving down the group. Carbonates. Carbonates of alkaline earth metals are insoluble in water. The solubility of carbonates in water decreases as the atomic number of metal ion increases. The beryllium carbonate is unstable and can be kept only in atmosphere of CO2. The thermal stability increases with increase in cationic size. The bicarbonates exist only in solution state. Sulfates. All the sulfates of alkaline earth metals are all white, solids and stable to heat. BeSO4 and MgSO4 are readily soluble in water. The solubility decreases from CaSO4 to BaSO4. Nitrides. All the alkaline earth metals form nitrates. However, among the alkali metals only lithium forms nitrates. Halides. The halides of beryllium are essentially covalent, hygroscopic and fumes in air, while halides of other alkaline earth metals are ionic and ionic character increases down the group. In solid state, BeCl2 exists in polymeric chain, while in vapor state it tends to form a chloro-bridged dimer which dissociates into a linear monomer at high temperature that is greater than 1200 Kelvin. Reducing nature. The reducing character or reactivity of alkaline earth metals increases from beryllium to barium, that is the trend. MgClO4 taken twice is used as a drying agent which is called as anhydrone. It is a strong oxidizing agent, so it is used in not used with organic material. The anomalous behavior of beryllium. Beryllium, due to its exceptionally small size like aluminum and high polarizing power like aluminum, shows similarities with Al in its properties. These properties are: beryllium oxide like Al2O3 is amphoteric and covalent, while the oxides of other alkaline earth metals are ionic and basic in nature. Both BeCl2 and AlCl3 are soluble in organic solvents because of covalent nature, and both have a bridged polymeric structure. Beryllium hydroxide dissolves in excess of alkali to give a berylate ion BeOH4-2, just as aluminum hydroxide gives aluminate ion AlOH4-. The beryllium, it has a strong tendency to form complexes such as BeF4-2 and AlF6-3. The carbides of beryllium BeC2 react with water to produce methane gas, whereas the other gases produce acetylene with water. All the compounds of calcium. All the alkaline earth metals form several compounds. Some industrially important compounds of calcium are given below. Lime, quicklime, CaO. It is prepared by heating limestone at 1000 degrees Celsius. Uses. It is used in the manufacture of CaOCl2, CaOH twice, CaC2, glass and cement, etc. It is used as a basic lining in furnaces. It is used in purification of sugar and in water softening. Limestone, CaCO3. Preparation. It is prepared by heating slaked lime with carbon dioxide. Uses. It is used in the manufacture of quicklime, slaked lime, cement, glass and washing soda, etc. It is used as a flux in smelting of iron and lead ores. Plaster of Paris, CaSO4.2H2O. It is obtained by heating gypsum at 393 Kelvin. Plaster of Paris is also called as calcium sulfate hemihydrate. When we heat plaster of Paris above 393 Kelvin, no water of crystallization is left and CaSO4 anhydrous is formed, which is called dead burnt plaster. Uses. It is used in making toys, decorative materials and casts of statues. It is used in medical applications for setting fractured bones in the right position and dentistry. Cement. Cement is an important building material. It is obtained by combining a material such as clay, which contains silica, SiO2, along with the oxides of aluminum, iron and magnesium. The raw materials for the manufacture of cement are limestone and clay. It is used in plastering and in the construction of bridges, dams and buildings. It is used for making concrete and reinforced concrete. The average composition of Portland cement is CaO 50 to 60%, SaO2 20 to 25%, Al2O3 5 to 10%, MgO 2 to 3%, Fe2O3 1 to 2%, SO3 1 to 2%. Biological significance of magnesium and calcium. Magnesium ions are present inside the animal cells, while Ca+2 ions are present in the bloody fluids, that is the extracellular region. All the enzymes that utilize ATP in phosphate transfer the required Mg+2 as a cofactor in green plants. The magnesium is present in chlorophyll. The Ca+2, Mg+2 are essential for the transmission of impulses along nerve fibers. In bones and teeth, Ca is present as apatite, Ca3PO4 taken twice, and in enamel and tooth, fluorapatite. It plays an important role in blood clotting and are required to trigger the contraction of muscles. Ca+2 ions also regulate the heartbeats. A small comparison between the properties of alkaline earth metals and alkali metals. Unlike the members of group 1, the chemistry of group 2 elements is not completely dominated by the chemistry of cations. When compared with alkali metals, it is found that they are less reactive than alkali metals, they are less electropositive, that is less metallic than alkali metals, their reducing power is much less than that of alkali metals, they are less basic than alkali metals, they are less, the gradation in properties of these elements is not as regular as in the case of alkali metals because of different structures of their crystal lattice. The difference in properties with alkali metals is due to the small size of atoms and ions, stronger metallic bonds, and higher melting and boiling points. Thank you.